Hello guys, I'm JJ and welcome to the Trisio FAQ series. Here I give you some detailed answers to all the questions you may have during the creation of panoramas and tours with Trisio.
The topic today is very simple. It is mainly about how to use the leveling function in Trisio app. So, let's crack on. When the Trisio development team decided to make the Lite 2 camera, the goal was, it should be a camera that everyone could use to get a high-quality panorama with one single click. We'd like the camera to automate some of the works that would normally be done by the photographers. Parameters such as white balance, exposure, contrast, etc. in order to save the user time in post-production with the smoothest possible workflow. And this, of course, includes leveling. Many professional photographers will have a level on their tripod to make everything more manageable in the early stages. The panorama, on the other hand, is actually a complete sphere after stitching. So, adjusting the levels in post seems more feasible than traditional photographs. Trisio automatically recognizes the horizontal angle of the camera when shooting and gives an indication in the app when the shoot has been taken. I've just taken two panoramas of the same scene, one horizontal and the other with the tripod slightly leaning. When looking at a photo in the app, a white leveling option will appear in the bottom left corner for the tilted photo, while this option is unavailable for the horizontal one. Click on it and the app will automatically level the photo, which takes only a few seconds. Let's compare the two pictures before and after leveling. The result is quite good. By the way, I must mention Izu Watanabe, the 3D printing expert who has customized more than one type of level for Trisio Lite 2. He really is a genius! Maybe in the future, we'll equip the camera with a leveling module or add a manual leveling function to the app, so stay tuned. In fact, our old pal Nick actually did instructive videos back in March when this feature was launched, which you can check out down below.
That's all for this video and thanks for watching. We'll keep updating, so don't forget to subscribe. What other questions do you have about daily use of Trisio? Just feel free to drop us a line in the comment. We'll see you next time.